Hey everyone, welcome back to the basement, and today we're taking a look at the Swatato Pig Bluetooth speaker system. Now this is designed for Bluetooth devices or to work with your computer through an auxiliary jack, and I wanted to test this out and compare it to a couple other speakers that I got to see which one fits best for me. Now a couple key factors I had is I wanted to make sure it had a retro look, and this fit that bill. With the walnut casing on the outside and the brown finish on the front on the speaker cover, this looks like it was made back in the 50s. This speaker system is actually pretty straightforward. You have an auxiliary jack so that you can plug it into your computer like I have set up here, or you can do it through Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth seems to work just fine. It's a 20-watt driver system, so it's not going to get extremely loud, and that's one thing to note about this. And it's a soundbar, so you really have to center this where you're setting it up to get the full sound experience. And how is that sound experience? Well, let's test it out. Okay, enough fun. The sound is not bad on this. Now, one thing I will tell you compared to some other systems I got, at 20 watts, this is a little bit lower, so you do have to drive a little bit higher on your computer to get a good sound out of this. There's no ability to adjust the bass or treble, so you're getting exactly what you're getting out of your computer. If you can fine tune that in there, you can absolutely get a little bit better sound out of this. I will say the Bluetooth does work with no problems on this, but at the end of the day, I prefer to plug things in through auxiliary mode if I can. But what you're wondering is, would I recommend this or would I buy it again? Yeah, at the end of the day, I probably would recommend this. If you're looking for something that just offers you a little bit better quality than what your computer offers, or maybe what your monitor offers. At 20 watts, I feel this is a little limited on the power side, so you really do have to drive a little bit more out of your computers, but the sound quality is good, and it is a nice looking speaker, especially if you're going for that mid-century modern look or something with a little bit more retro vibe. This might be it for you. What I do like about it is that it's pretty light on the wallet. I love the look about it. I love the fact that I can plug in an auxiliary, and at the end of the day, it's going to give me better sound quality than what my monitor offers right now. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.